Before you buy another app, another subscription, or another online tool, pause for a minute. Ask yourself one question. What is this tool going to help me finish? Not what does it promise, not how pretty it looks, not what everyone else is using. What will it help you complete? A website, a product page, a video, a digital book, a store, a sales funnel? Because tools can help you build faster, but they can also become expensive distractions. The best tool is not always the fanciest one. The best tool is the one that helps you publish, sell, organize, or create something real. So before you spend more money, make a short list. What am I building? What do I need finished this week? Will this tool help me get there? If the answer is no, wait. Protect your budget, protect your focus, and only pay for tools that help move your project forward. Subscribe to Starter Studio for beginner-friendly tips on AI tools, online business, and building smarter without wasting money. Thanks for watching.